OneHealthDrugs fans and followers, join us to shape the future of health innovations. You're invited to a series of transformative events where science meets sustainability.
Join us in Tirana, Albania, on the 15th and 16th of May 2025 for the OneHealthDrugs thematic workshop. We'll explore surveillance, prevention, and therapies against parasitic diseases in humans and animals, led by working groups 2, 3, and 6. From the 4th to the 6th of June 2025, the OneHealthDrugs Conference in Antwerp will focus on novel drugs and targets to break the chain of parasite transmission between animals and humans, a key step forward in the One Health approach. Don't miss the 33rd GP2A Annual Conference and the Euro-PhD MedChem Network Meeting, co-organized with COST Action OneHealthDrugs, taking place in Nantes, France, from June 11th to 13th, 2025. This joint event explores drug development to tackle parasitic reservoirs in Europe and beyond. From June 30th to July 4th, 2025, join the Erasmus Summer School in Ljubljana. In collaboration with OneHealthDrugs, the course will focus on cheminformatics and ecotoxicology in the context of parasitic diseases and drug discovery.
Each event is a cornerstone, building towards a healthier future. We promise engaging sessions, expert insights, and invaluable networking opportunities. Don't miss out on these action-packed events. Spaces are limited, and the opportunity is vast.